What's up everyone? Jason Marcortis here with Landmark Property Management. What is going on with the housing market right now? That is the million-dollar question. U.S. home prices have seen a rise of almost 40% in the last 2 years. Last year, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said that the U.S. housing market was overheated and needed a quote-unquote reset. In order to accomplish this, the Fed has been aggressively raising interest rates for the past year. Now, as most of you are probably aware by now, the housing market in most areas has screeched to a halt with decreasing showing activity and ultimately lower sales prices. I think at this point, it's pretty clear that the rise in interest rates has had a dramatic effect on the housing market. It's not surprising when you look at how quickly the Fed has raised rates and to what degree. It's normal for the Fed to raise and lower interest rates, but they're typically much smaller increases and decreases, and they're spread out over the course of years. If you take a look at this chart on the St. Louis Fed's website, you can see how aggressively the recent interest rate hikes have been compared to the last time they raised rates from 2015 to 2019. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you're selling a property right now, it's likely to be a rough road ahead. I wanted to film a short video just to go over a few of the options you may have. Option number one is price drop. Now, this is an obvious one. If you have a property already on the market and it's not selling, there's a good chance you need to drop the price. As you drop the price and the price comes more in line with what the market is willing to pay, you should see increased showing activity and you should start to receive offers. Talk with your agent or check out the comparable properties that are selling near your property to see how much of a price drop is required to really move the needle. Number two is status change. Now, this is a trick that realtors use from time to time. This basically means we'll cancel and relist the property or drop the price by a dollar amount that's insignificant, call it $1 or $100. What this does is it changes the status in the MLS from active to new or to price change, and it sends it back out to everyone who has a matching search criteria. So this usually does kick up a handful of showings, and occasionally it will do the trick. Option number three is sell your home yourself. Now, I don't recommend this, but I do like to discuss all of your options. So realtor commissions can vary, but they're often between 5 and 6%. In theory, you could save that money by not using a realtor, but a realtor is usually able to sell your property for a lot more and net you typically more in the long run. Nonetheless, it is an option that needs to be considered. Option number four is sell your home to an investor. All around the country, there are investors looking to scoop up properties and turn them into rental properties. We actually buy single family and multifamily properties here in the Chicagoland area, as well as Northwest Indiana and now Florida. However, as you can imagine, investors are not looking to pay retail prices. In order to make the investment work, most of the time they need a discount. This is typically only a viable option if your property needs heavy rehab, you need a quick cash close, or something similar. If you have any property in the Chicagoland area, Northwest Indiana, or Florida, and you're looking to sell quick, reach out to us. We'd love to take a look. Option number five, turn your home into a rental property. In my opinion, this is the best option I have for you. If you don't have to sell your home, you can weather the storm by turning your home into a rental property, waiting a few years for rates to go down and prices to go back up. This would allow you to take advantage of both buying in a great market and selling at a great time a couple of years from now. You get a great deal on both ends. If you're watching this, you probably know that real estate is a great way to accumulate wealth. It's said that 90% of millionaires made their money in real estate. Not sure if 90% is accurate, but regardless, it's the overwhelming majority of millionaires. Real estate is extremely forgiving, and you can really build some serious wealth over time. If you do decide to turn your home into a rental property, you may just end up deciding real estate investing is for you. In addition to being able to take advantage of the market conditions, real estate investing can offer cash flow, property appreciation, and many tax benefits, among other things. All right, I hope this helped. If you have any questions about any of this, or if we can help in any way, consider us at Landmark Property Management a resource. We're always happy to help. Feel free to check out our website at chicagospropertymanagement.com or give us a call. Thank you.